Hello YouTube, so today I'm going to be reviewing my central air conditioners at my father's house. They're over here. Got one running. Got this car right here. We got the York AC units. Central air. This one's broken because the fan mode is bad. This one works perfectly fine. These are York air conditioners. These are pretty reliable to me. The data sheet's right here. 230 volt compressor. What? Making a YouTube video, what? I don't even know when this was made. Data sheet. Might be on this side.
Yeah, AJ, don't leave. You can't leave the doors open.
What door's open?
The front door.
Oh. Alright, I guess that's all. My dad is fixing the AC units. I'm just gonna sit down in my wild card. So I think it's gonna turn the compressor thing on.
Yeah, I know, but
You're turning it on? Making a YouTube video.
yeah, but it's 84 degrees up there.
The thing is, when it might be gonna start this up.
Shut it off. Yeah.
With this one, I think I'm gonna shut this one off too.
Is it off?
Okay, so I think they're gonna turn this one off.
Alright, turn it on one more time. AJ,
What?
pick it up. It's on?
I need to turn this one off because I can't hear it.
Alright, hold on.
Someone turn out the downstairs.
Because I closed it before. I forgot to open it back up. Alright, just shut it off.
They might shut this one off. I'm not sure.
Leave it off. Alright. So annoyed by this.
Okay, never mind.
Don't go near these.
Why?
Because you can get hurt.
Making a YouTube video about.
You're getting hurt.
Alright, I guess that'll do it.